All right, guys, welcome back to another video. This video, we're gonna be talking about Bitcoin price again, right? Look where we are right now, it's 60,000. Now, I said in the previous video that we had two options, right? We were around 600, and we are now touching our 60,000 support line, right? There's support here and some sort of support here. The lowest that I got was 60,000 also, and on the left here also some type of support. Now this candle is very dangerous, right? We just hit resistance here on the left at 67,000. Now this candle is very dangerous. If you added any type of position around, these highs over here around 66 to 70 and above, a bit above 70, right? You were down on your position, but gives you chance to add more if you believe in the upside potential, right? Now let's talk about the downside potential. We can break this, all of this support here on the left, but it comes with the price, right? It's very dangerous and risky because if we go down to the weekly time frame, you can see that we have been going lower and lower, and until last week that we closed, above, but we are still a doji, bearish doji candle. That's what I call it, right? Where when the wick on the top is bigger than the body, it's a bearish doji, right? And our moving average is also above, had just touched around 67 and is above, right? On the RSI, uh, you can see that we are, around a very high RSI, around 88, 80, 86, 88, and that's very high for this indicator, right? Which means that probably sales are going to happen, and that's what we're looking at right now. So there's a couple options. Price could start picking up buys here at around 60. So price gets and gathers around a bunch of buys here to then start pumping the price up, and then maybe we can start to see 67 by the end of this week or next week, or we can keep coming down, which is what I said, and then break the 60 and 59 level and then come down to 52, right? It is dangerous, but who knows what can happen, right? If we go down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that price has been kind of rejecting a little bit, and we have 1 hour until this candle to close. Now, if we see here on the left, a couple of days ago, Wednesday the 17th, price came here, tapped. It did break the previous low over here, low, and then another low. So it did break, so we fell below previous low price, but then we started to come back up and then hit 67. So we could be doing the same thing right now, and then that same thing happened the day after, Thursday on the 18th. Price came, tapped this area, and then we started to come up again. So we could be, just reaching for a support, and then, starting that move back up. What's gonna make the difference is how the candle closed. So we have about 5 hours until the daily candle close. Now this doesn't look so great to me, but we're at a support, and what matters is what the chart is showing us, right? If we end up breaking with a confirmation, which is what I said in the previous video, if we end up breaking with a confirmation, which will be something like this, then it's not so good, right? Even if it's a little bit smaller, maybe like this, and then you end up seeing another candle just coming down like that, then we're probably seeing 52. If not, we are probably going to see a candle that that would come up again, maybe be a little bit higher than this, and then we'll probably see another tap at 67 for the enterprise to, either break, or we'll see what happens before. But right now, let's keep our patience and wait for the candle to close and see what's going to happen.